This video deals with the portrait of a lady by Khushwant Singh, Part 4, 11th English Prose, Unit 1, Samachir Kalvi, prepared and presented by Mr. P. Velmani, Department of English, Adiman Metric Higher Secondary School, Uttangarai. We protested, but she ignored our protest. She lay peacefully in her bed, praying and telling her beads, even before we could suspect. Her lips stopped moving, and the rosary fell from her lifeless finger. A peacefully pallor spread on her the face, and we knew that she was dead. They objected for their behavior, but she never bothered about them. She rejected their objection. She simply lay peacefully in her bed, praying and telling her beads. Even the family suspected that her lips stopped moving and the rosary fell from her lifeless finger. A peaceful pallor here refer unhealthy and pale appearance came over her body and face, that they knew that she was dead. We lifted her off the bed and as customary laid on her the ground and covered her with this red round. After a few hours of mourning, we left her alone to make a arrangement for funeral. In the evening, we went to her room with a crude structure to take her to be cremated. The sun was setting and had lit her room and veranda with a blaze of golden light. We stopped halfway in the courtyard. The family lifted her away from the bed, as is customary, laid her on the ground. What is customary refer here? The normal orations. Laid her on the ground and covered her with a red shroud. Okay, here red shroud it refer cloth used for a wrapped dead person. Okay, the body full of covered red color cloth. After a few hours of crying and expressing their sorrow, they left her alone to make arrangement for her funeral. What is mean funeral? The end of the life, they made some orations. In the evening, they went to her room with a small structure to take her to be cremated. What is meant by cremated? They burned the body of a dead person. The sun was setting and had lit her room and the veranda a blaze of golden light. Here, a blaze of golden light refer a fire. It looked like a golden color. We stopped half away in the courtyard. Okay, the people are full of made a crowd there. They stopped them to settle somewhere. All over the veranda and in her room up to where she laid and strip wrapped the red round. The thousands of sparrows sat scattered on the floor. There was no chirping. We felt sorry for the birds, and my mother fetched some bread for them. She broke it into little crumbs, the way my mother used to, and threw it to them. Okay, here, all over the veranda and in a room right up where they lay dead, and the strip wrapped in the red round. What is meant by wrapped here? A cloth put a paper full of covered her body, and then a red round. It is a red in color. A thousand and thousands of sparrows sat and scattered on the floor. Okay, what's meant by scattered here? Spread somewhere. And there was no chirping. What's meant by chirping here? Keep silence. Okay, thousands of sparrows sat there. Scattered means spread over the floor, but there is no sound. When the grandmother was moving here and there, all the sparrows came there and made loud noise because they wanted to eat breads. Because she threw it away by little bit. Now there is nobody to care for the fare. That's why thousands of sparrows scattered on the floor and simply make silence. Then the family felt very sorry for the birds. The narrator's mother carried some bread for them. How the grandmother broke it and little crumbs. Little crumbs means small pieces. The same way grandmother used to throw it them. The sparrows took no notice for the bread. When we carried my grandmother's corpse off, they flew away quietly. Next morning, the sweepers swept the bread crumbs into the dustbin. Okay, but the narrator's grandmother spread the little crumbs to the sparrows, but no sparrows never bothered about the bread. Okay, that is the sparrows took notice of the bread. Okay, so didn't care about that bread. When the family carried grandmother corpse off, what's meant by corpse off? Dead body to cremated in a particular place. The sparrows flew away quietly without made any noise. Next morning, a sweeper swept the bread crumbs into the dustbin. The next day, sweeper came there and cleaned that bread. The sparrows never bothered about the breads because they knew that grandmother was dead. They made some crowd and give for sorrow of her death. Here, the main theme of the story, the reality of old age. Old people face loneliness and seclusion, but we never bother about them. The main thing we should take care of them. The old age is the most sensitive stage of a person. The old are like infants. They are unable to do most of the daily work on their own. This makes them depend on the others physically as well as emotionally. This is the age when they need full support. The main theme of this portrait of a lady, it is a love and protection to elderly people is the much expected task in the present scenario. Thank you.